In this tutorial, I'll show you how to lock your chart position when switching time frames in Tradingview so your analysis stays exactly where you left it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, right-click anywhere on the chart area to open the Settings menu. From the menu, click on Settings. This will open a detailed panel where you can control how your chart looks and behaves. Now, in the Settings window, look at the left side and click on Scales. This section controls how your chart is displayed and how it reacts when you change time frames. Scroll down a bit until you find the option called Save Chart Left Edge Position when changing interval. This is the key setting. Go ahead and enable this checkbox. Once you turn this on, Tradingview will remember your exact chart position even when you switch between time frames. So now, if you are zoomed into a specific part of the chart and switch from say 1 hour to 15 minutes or daily, your chart will stay focused on the same area instead of jumping back to the latest price. This is especially useful when you're analyzing past price action, backtesting strategies, or comparing the same section across multiple time frames without constantly scrolling back. If you ever want to go back to the default behavior, you can simply return to the same setting and turn it off. That's it. With just one small setting, you can keep your chart stable and make your workflow much smoother. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.